looking at a song by Diana Hamilton, Ahaye, okay, in the key of E flat, but I'll be playing the key of F, so that we all could get to see what I'm doing. If today is your first time coming across my video, kindly like, comment, share, and subscribe, so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be one of the first to get it, okay? So with that being said, let's dive into today's lesson, okay? Like I said, it was done in the key of E flat, but I'll be playing the key of F. So let's break that thing down. So basically they are doing the 6, just that they are using over chords, okay? So the 5 over the 6 to the 2. The 2 2 I'm doing over chords, okay? Alright, so this is the 4 over the 2. Then I'll do over chords again, the 4 over the 5. Okay, one more time. Then 4 over the 5. Then the 1. One more time, let's go. Okay, so let's sing it.
From my ears to your ears, from my ears to your crown. I don't wanna prepare the fate you don't know.
Let me show you that part, okay? So they were playing series of chords, okay, and at a point they switched up their play, okay? So I want to show you what they were doing that side. After they played it couple of times, I also heard them do this particular movement that I want to break down, okay? So this one. Okay, so what is that? This is do C, okay? So what is that? Do ti, do ti, do. Then they do re mi like this. All of this, and I'm using this and this, okay, so that you get the melody right, okay, because that's what they use, okay. And at a point in time, I also heard this particular movement. So basically, this is just a passing chord to the 5, okay. They wanted to come to the 5. Then they will come to the 1. So one more time, let's go. To the main part of the song, okay, so that is the where Emireku and Diana Hamilton herself was singing that part, okay. Let me tell you this, the chords were changing, okay. I'm going to show you a different chords that you can use to this particular song, okay. So let's check it one more time. Basically they are using the first progression they use, still on the 6 to the 2, then the 5. Remember I said I'm using over chords, okay. One more time. heard this particular movement, okay. They were these are jazz chords, okay. At a point I heard him, I think it was when he was starting the song, I heard something of that sort, okay. Okay, so one more time.
Ahaya, ahaya, ahaya,
So basically the same thing throughout, okay. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. More videos like this is coming your way. Bye.